Hello everyone, I'm Jianbing.
I'm Joey.
This is a video for our DevOps continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline. This is an overview of our pipeline architecture. When a developer modified his code and committed the changes, a hook will trigger incremental testing. This is our special milestone. Then the pipeline will trigger a Jenkins build jobs. It will do integration testing and analyze the code quality. Then the pipeline will continue to configure the production environment and automatically deploy the application to the production environment. At the same time, the pipeline will monitor the metrics of each application server. It will monitor some metrics like CPU or memory. Once the metrics exceed the preset threshold, it will do auto scaling and it will provision more slaves. In each application server, it have feature flags and canary release. This is our special milestone. What we did is incremental development an incremental testing toolkit. What it traditional in traditional testing process, it will run all test cases. It is time consuming. What we are trying to do is only run these incremented test cases. What we did here was using git diff to find this modified line of code and then get the method contains that modified code. Then we will get the test cases corresponding to these modified methods. So these test cases we call it priority test cases. So we will only run these priority test cases. So let's continue to do some demos.
So I will show you some demos. So the first here I will try to modify the code for a bit and try to save it. So when I go to get diff, as you can see there are the tiny changes. Then after that, for special milestone, we already create a pre-commit hook. So basically I try to commit our changes. So basically the pre-commit hook will do several jobs. Like first one, it will find the changed method and then try to use AST tree to find the touched test cases. After that, it will try to get the ID of corresponding test cases. At the last, it will update the hash tables which store the relationship between line of code and the test cases. So as we can see here, we already built a visualization tool. If we refresh it here, so instead of runs 30 whole test cases, we only run 2 test cases. So this is the test priority things which will save a lot of time. So we just try to waiting the hash table updating to finish, then we will try to git push. So once we finish, we'll try to git push our just tiny change. Basically it will trigger the Jenkins build job. So when we go to here, the previous is 90, so current is 91. So just waiting. Here just pending. Here just 91 is triggered, and then we go to the console output. Let's go first here. Basically, you will see that on our test server it will run whole 30 test cases. Because on our local machine it will run the integration incremental test, which is only 2. However, for our server test, we will run the integration test, which is the whole test cases. So as you can see here, we also use our custom metric to do analysis, code analysis, and at last the code is success. So this is for our milestone, special milestone and milestone 2 part. So for milestone 3, we already have this set up the feature flag. So for example, we turn on the feature 1, 3 on the stable version of application, and the canary version of application will access to feature 1, 3, and 4. And after we set it, we'll go to this load balancer and we'll try to refresh it. So for stable version, as we can see, just feature 1 to 3, and we can see keep refreshing. 70% of traffic will go to stable version, and then for canary it will only access to 1, 3, and 4. So this is all our milestone. Thank you.